What's up, everybody? It's iDude here, and if you saw the last video, then you know what this is all about. I came down hard, the bike bogged on me at like 6,000 in a wheelie, and it dropped my headlight mount. So now this is all wiggly, and we need to take all this apart to figure out what all's broken and what I need to put it back together. So let's go on that journey. Let's figure this out. I'm just gonna start with taking the mirror block off plates off that I bought and probably won't end up using or needing. Oh gosh, it wasn't good either, man. My back hurts something fierce. When the bike bogged down on, oh son of a bitch. Not that I get paid for any of these fucking videos anymore. Please subscribe. Yeah, I gotta turn the music down because I don't own the rights to that music. So yeah, I bought these mirror block off plates, and they're coming off. More broken plastic. Anyhow, we're gonna get all these hardware out from the windshield. Whoop. That just rolled away. It is gone forever. There's a little black washer under it. Even though I don't know if it's gonna matter soon whether that washer is there or not. The more I take off, the more flimsy she gets. Fun fact, after my crash, when was it, last year or so? I didn't have a windshield. I ordered one on eBay. I called, I called. I called my buddy and had him order it for me. I found a nice stock one. And they never shipped it. This is actually... This is a windscreen for a Suzuki Gixxer. I just cut the tip off here. Had to re-drill some holes and reshape it a little bit. But as you can see, it wasn't bad. Set that aside. Don't know if we'll need or have that later. I'm debating buying the Stealth Stay or trying... Oh no, look at him. You can't see him in there. No! I broke both the headlight mounts. Oh, it's hard to see. But, busted both headlight mounts in there, so that's not good. Where to start next? Alright, just get these screws out. Ooh, that had a lot of torque on it. I'm assuming it was holding a fair amount of the weight of the headlight and the front end up. Which sucks. Once you get the side of your Ram air covers off. Oh, damn it. I forgot that our turn signal was also attached to the front plastic. More headache. But pull the 3. I don't want to pull this bottom one because I don't. If it's all pivoting, I don't want it to pivot on the bottom one only. All right, let's see. Put these on the piece of paper. Mark those suckers as right side. All right, I'm gonna leave that one in and just leave it loose. Pretty free here. also pull these ones off. Where is it? This little hole? Get those out as well. It's always so hard to get this bolt cut. Yeah, I hope I got that. It's always so hard to get that sucker to come out. Listen to that. Ooh, saxophone. Broke some more plastic. There, it wasn't plastic, it was paint that I chipped, but whatever, you know. Got a little bit of a situation where I need to mark which wire is what. That comes off my cooling fan override. I guess it doesn't need to be that big of a flag. Alright, we're going to mark the first one. The first wire. It sits the lowest in the toggle switch. Damn. Sucker's really in there. Oh. I wish the bike was like, oh, it's fucking 3 more feet in the air. That'd be awesome. Wouldn't it? My back wouldn't hurt. Tell you what, I'd be shocked if I don't fucking destroy this thing before I ever even get it apart. Oh! Did I bleed? Yeah, I bled. Damn it. Nobody makes me bleed my own blood. Nobody. Oh. That sucks. As soon as I cut the camera, I got the other one off. Fan rocker intact. Wires. Just kind of tuck them away. They'll be there when we get back. We marked them. We're not worried about them. I know it's just going to look black to you guys, right? But underneath here, I have a thing to kneel on. Oh, when you get old and you got bad knees. In here, there are clips there that are attached to this, I do believe. So you got to make sure those are free and clear too. Yeah, just throw it on the ground. Alright, we got that free. Let's go over here. Pull this bolt. And I'll be honest with you guys, I should probably have a pillow or something on the ground in front of this thing. Because there ain't nothing holding it up anymore. Alright. Shit. Do you guys hear that? Goddamn barking spider. No, but for real, I almost shit my pants. Not really. Oh, if you're still with me, at least you'll get a good chuckle out of that. Next up is your main harness plug. This plug makes a lot of problems for people, so be careful with these wires. They're delicate, they're old. I mean, the newest your bike could be is a 2004. Maybe a 2005. Just be aware not to tug on the wire portions too much. And like that, my front end is free. Get a lot of turn signal wires. Dang, I had a pair of dikes around here, and I let her get away. Oh! Alright, my biggest opponent right now is this stupid zip tie. Yeah! Good, dry rotten zip tie. Breaks easily. Alright, we are free. I really got to shorten that wire up. It literally just goes from there to there. What in the hell? Well, here we are. A ripped off front end. Oh, here are my bolts that used to go through my headlight. So that no longer works. Yeah. Sucks, but like I said originally, you know, it sucks, but it is what it is. If you guys ever buy track packs, don't ever fucking order the eBay China fucking track packs, because they're not steel, or they're not even good aluminum. Like, not a single bolt that I put into this bike could I take back out of the bike successfully. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. This is as far as I can get for right now, but yeah, dude, stay tuned. Bike's in pieces for now. Hopefully it won't be in pieces for long. Now let's edit the shit out of this video. 16 minutes, and that's just this recording. There's like 2 more before it. We're not doing good, you guys. Next video. You just get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away, bitch. But give me my trackpad back. I'm gonna need this stuff soon. You can see it.